Today we're working on our E minor scales. Welcome. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. So today we're talking about our E minor scales, and we have three forms: natural, harmonic, and melodic. I do post timestamps if you want to skip ahead to one of those three in the comments below. And all of my fingerings are on Patreon, and we would love to have you join us if you are interested. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with our natural minor scale. This one shares a key signature with G major. G major has one sharp, F sharp, so that's our only accidental for this natural minor scale. So we're starting on our lowest E, and we just have to worry about those F sharps. Everything else is natural. We're going to hold for 4 beats each, then we'll do 2 beats and 1 beat. So let's find that first E and get started. F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. Back down. F sharp. F sharp. All right, we're going to do 2 beats per bow now. I'm going to turn my drone on to E, and our goal is going to be to really match that E. 2 beats per bow. Ready? Go. F sharp. F sharp. All right, now we're going to move to just a little bit faster. We're going to do 1 beat per bow. Still really focusing on hearing those pitches before you play it. Is it a whole step? Is it a half step? And can you hear that in your head before you play it? In addition to the drone that's just on my Metronome app, it's called Tonal Energy Tuner. I'll post that below. I also really enjoy using cello drones, it came in a CD back in the day of CDs, but they're all YouTube videos now, and I'll also post that playlist for you down below. It just drones a fifth, so it drones our open strings. And you would be selecting the one that said E, so it'll be droning an E and a B, and it's really fun to just try to fit your notes in and really, really tune those with that drone. So same scale, natural minor, just have to worry about those F sharps, but 1 beat per bow this time. Ready? Go. Harmonic minor, which is a different form of that E minor scale, and this is the one that has the augmented second in it. So we're going to start out the same: E, F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, D sharp, E. Now you could do this one in second position. You could stay in first position. Your choice. If you're going to stay in first position, I would advocate, instead of doing a really high 4 for that D sharp, doing a low 1. So pretend almost like it's E flat for that fingering, and then scoot that 1 up to complete that. When we're on the A string, it'll be a low 2, a really, really high 3 for that D sharp, and then a really touching 4 to finish off that scale. So same idea, we'll do 4 beats per bow to start. Ready, go. F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, low 1 D sharp, scoot up to E, F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, really high 3, D sharp, back down, D sharp, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp, E, low 1, 3, B, A, G, F sharp, E. We're going to do that same scale now, 2 beats per bow. Keep working to hear those intervals before you play them. That augmented second's a little funky to hear. It almost makes it sound Middle Eastern. I know that's kind of stereotyping, but we hear that augmented. And it's oftentimes used in movies to portray something from the Middle East. So same scale, 2 beats per bow, and really hear those pitches before you play them. Ready, go. Low 1. Same scale, 1 beat per bow. I'll put my drone on, and I'm actually going to drone a 5th this time, so E and B, so we get practice kind of imitating what those cello drones are going to sound like. So same scale, but 1 beat per bow. Ready? Final form of minor, which is melodic minor. This one is kind of like E major on the way up. The only difference between E minor and E major is that we play G natural. So it's E, F, G natural, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E natural. So the only thing that changes is that G, not G sharp, but G natural. On the way down, it's just natural minor. So we have the same thing as the key signature that it's related to, same thing as G major. We just have F sharp to worry about on the way down. So it's E, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E on the way down. And I'll call out those notes the first time through. So we're starting on that low E, and we have to worry about C sharp, D sharp, and F sharp on the way up. Start with E, F sharp, G, natural. B, A, G, F sharp, E, D natural, C, B, A, G, F sharp, So you can see how that's kind of a hybrid form. The way up is a little bit different than the way down, but the way down we already knew because it's just natural minor. We're going to do that same scale, 2 beats per bow, and I'll put our drone on for this one. Just going to drone E this time. Ready? 2 beats. And finally, 1 beat per bow. Again, keep working on hearing those pitches before you play them. Is it a whole step? Is it a half step? Those are the only 2 things we have to worry about in this one. Start on that low E and 1 beat per bow. Ready? Go. This video was helpful. If there's anything that I didn't address or something that you still have questions about, please post that in the comments below. I enjoy trying to help from afar. This week was E. Next time we'll have F minor, and we'll just keep working through the series. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and happy practicing.